So here is the last part of the installation of Virtual Universe Pro for mBot. So if you want to use the trial version, you have to launch Virtual Universe Pro as administrator. So for doing this, simply right click on the shortcut and select Run as administrator. Then allow to run the program, and here for running the trial license, click on No. Of course, if you have a license, just click on Yes and then enter your license code. Okay, after doing this, the program is going to start like this. Okay, and to open the mBot simulation, simply open the file menu, open a sample, and then mBot and mBot again. It is going to load the mBot simulation like this, and you are ready to start. So you can see the other videos on our playlist to see how to start and how to create a program in mBlock and how to start the simulation.